Hi everyone, in this video you are gonna learn how to set up your Shopify store exactly like one of the demos from the Mavon Shopify theme. So let's begin. After you have successfully installed the Mavon theme, you'll get a default demo like this. If you want to preview how the demo looks, you can do so from here. In addition to this, Mavon offers some beautifully designed demos that will make your store more professional and unique. Now, let me show you how you can leverage a demo layout from the Mavon Shopify theme to make your store look exactly the same. Before we move forward with this, let's take a look at the demos Mavon provides. If you want to utilize any of these layouts, simply follow the step-by-step process that I'm about to show you. First of all, visit the theme documentation. Then from the General Topics section, open the doc that says how to set up your store as a Mavon demo. There you'll find all the necessary steps to use any of the demos from the Mavon theme in your store. To do so, first you need to download the sample data for the demo layout that you want to use. Once you have unzipped the downloaded file, open the templates folder. Then copy all the code from the index.json.txt file. Next up, go back to your Shopify store admin and select Edit Code from here. Now open the index.json file and remove all the existing code. Now paste the code you copied earlier from the index.json.txt file and save the settings. You also need to replace the code of two other files with the code found in the files from the section and config folders. Now, if you return to your storefront and reload the page, you'll see that your store looks exactly like one of the demo styles Mavon offers. So, this is how you can set up your Shopify store using one of the pre-built demos of the Mavon Shopify theme.